Yeah, it's way better with the weight mods. As you can see, it's more controllable. It's a slower slide, so it's easier to control. The front wheels are aiming the car where it needs to go. Very good.
Then without, it's just that there's more control. So I see now we're still able to move around. It's just that you spin out, you still spin out, but the thing is you're not able to catch it as easily.
A little bit more difficult to control, difficult to catch. Spins out more easily.
Should do good donuts regardless. It's easier to control.
So with the weight mod 1, there's a weight added to the front. It's a little bit more slower down, so it's a little bit more easier to control. It's a little bit more realistic. Zooming away.
Alright, so this is what I did. I did do a, actually me working on it, but apparently I deleted the videos. Me. So basically what we have here is I cut out the front here. So I cut all this out, put tape on it. I got this as a weight ballast right here. And I put that there on the front. That's the biggest thing, having weight on the front. And also I cut this out so I can put the electronics more forward over the front wheels. So what I'm thinking is you can see here, I need to solder and put something on those wires because that's not good anyways. But so I got the electronics, weight ballast in the front, so that brings most of the weight forward. And then you have the motor, and that's pretty much the motor gearbox and the back. So what we're thinking is it just, it evens out a little bit. Also, you have the batteries, but the batteries are kind of in the middle, so that's not really that big of an issue. And also, I took the window, the glass out all around, so that leaves less weight in the rear, so that's good. So what we're trying to do is move the weight to the front, like as in a real car, you have your engine in the front. So you have more friction on the front tire, so when you're sliding, the car goes where the front tire goes. So you'll see it in the video that it helps a little bit. Still, all right, it's turning out a lot better. That's perfect. Well, not necessarily. It turns a little bit too much that way.
Per usual, there's always practice needed. So, a little bit of practice, I get the hang of it. Like even now, I still need a little bit more practice to get used to it. So I'm crashing and things, but getting a little fancy here and there. Spinning. Like this car with the new angle mods, it's very good at doing donuts. Like it can spin real easily. All right, let's see if we can try and get around this. It's good at doing donuts, but with obstacles, for some reason, I struggle. But I get there. It takes a little bit more practice. As you see, that nice slow spin, that nice slow drift. Easier to understand what's going on, what the wheels are doing, where the car is going. It's more able to control. Now we just gotta control it correctly. In terms of future versions of this, I might keep this one as is and then make another one. So we'll have two that with the rear-wheel drive, two with the all-wheel drive. The next one, we're going to try and make it a little bit more stiffer because I noticed at one point the steering had a little play. So as the servo was working, the servo was actually moving. So that's steering loss. That's control loss. So that little bit of control can probably help me be a little bit more accurate with my driving. Ideally what I'm going to do is save up some money. It'd be nice if I was making some money with YouTube, but I'm patient. It's going very slow, but that's because I'm going very slow. I need to do more work. And I'm gonna purchase a, another kit, a better kit, RC car kit. I'm gonna purchase a micro RC car, and also I'm gonna purchase, a larger one. Better quality, better stuff, better drifts, better content. Things look better for you guys. Also, I'm in school for. I'm going to be learning a little bit more about coding in school. Incorporate some coding into this as well, and make it better. As you see, my doggy Star. You seen Star in some older videos? I'm messing with her with the car. She's curious of the car. Hey, run away! Then I tap her little foot. She ain't like that. Yo, she gone. Alright, you guys. I'll see you later.